Check it out, everyone. Today we have some solar powered camping string lights to review for you. It's good stuff. You know, we gotta have it. We're out here camping, relaxing, gotta have the good stuff. And might be handy to actually have some string lights. I know I'm out here camping and I see lots of people out here have lights strung up everywhere. And I'll tell you, the nice thing so far that I think with this, there's no extension cord. It's all internally powered by its own battery. So it's for caving. We have adventure. We have nocturnal and fishing. Anyhow, so RGB ambient light. We have a highlight LED, waterproof, which is good because that means you can leave this outside when it's raining. So let me break in here. So we got home from camping, right? We're at home. The weather turned nasty. It's been storming, so I've left this thing out. It's been out here all night. The lights were running all night long, and they were still going. But as you can see, look, the solar light's still on. Thankfully, I had that pushed in, but this thing is soaked. But look, all the lights still work. I'll flip it over here. Let's make sure. So I wanted to add one more test. They said this was waterproof. So I can say this thing, so far from my testing, should hold up if you leave it outside and it gets stormed on. I mean, it's been absolutely, like, this whole area back here was flooded with water earlier, and I mean, it's still coming down. Yeah, like I said, we got back and I decided to go ahead and set it up, and it still works. Good job. It is also a power bank, so I'm not sure what the capacity of the battery is in this. I haven't seen anything. So 15 meters, so that's what, about 45 feet of lights. That's pretty nice. And then a Type-C USB to charge. Let's open this up and see what you get. Whoa. One screaming box. One owner's manual. One USB-C cable. A little card from Ogery, who provided this to me to review for you. So even though this was given to me for free, you know, you can trust on me for an honest review, but I do want to disclose this was provided. So there you have some contact information and that, and there'll be a link down in the video description where you can purchase your solar powered string and camp light. So this is actually 2-in-1. So you have a light down here, and you also have the string lights that will come out as well. Also, the good people at Ogery sent me this pretty cool fan that I did have blown on me to keep cool, but the wife stole it. And anyhow, if you're interested in that video, that's a whole separate review. All right, so let's check out this light. So right here we have a solar indicator, and I'm a bit perplexed by this because I've left it outside all day yesterday in the sun, and it's still only on this first setting. But when I plug it into a USB-C cable, they all light up. Or even when we turn this on, you can see it's fully lit, so it's fully charged. So I'm not quite sure what is going on with that. Two buttons here. One is for the internal lights, the string light, and the other is for the light here on the bottom. So we have bright, and then we have an outer. So it starts out with the inner one that's just very concentrated. It goes dimmer, then we have the big light, and then it goes dim, and then it goes to this ambient kind of yellow light, and then it's a little lighter, and then one more time with the center, and then off. Yeah. Oh wait, I think that last one, oh, that last one's everything. So that's like really, really bright. So that's a combo of the two there. You do have a hook here, so like most campsites that you stay at, you have a pole here for hanging like a lantern or something like that. So that makes it really easy and convenient for bringing this camping, or if if you're at home, pretty sure you can find something to hang this on. So right here we have our lights. So this is gonna be hard to see, so I will show you this at night. So we have, it's kind of like a yellow. Then it's okay, so this is like the Christmas lights one now, because now we have like blue and red and stuff like that. Let's see, so we got red, blue. So this one's like a flashing. And this is like the strobe version. And unfortunately, if you pause and you hit the button again, it just turns stuff off. So if you want to see everything, kind of have to cycle through it fast. Okay, so that's the flashing lights. Then this is the breathing one, and then off. So we have bright, dimmer, flashing. We have bright, dimmer, the Christmas lights. Like I said, it's hard to see here even during the daytime, but we're gonna go ahead, let it get dark, and I'll show you what these lights look like. All right, as you see, it's pretty dark out here. Maybe I'm trying to grill some burgers and we can't see a thing. So let's, look at how bright that is. So this is like the little inner light here. Then we get a little dimmer there, in case you don't need it. Oh wow, and then that's like the whole big outer circle. So holy moly, man, this is bright. And that's it. That's your setting. So you got the little floodlight here in the middle, just really concentrated in one spot, a little dimmer, and then you got this. That, man, it just, oh, you guys see this? It's lighting up the whole RV. It's lighting up the whole campsite here. It's cool. You got the little hook up here to support it, because a lot of campsites have this hook for lanterns and things like that. Well, let's just see here. So now compared to this one, you have a very concentrated light. We're not really like lighting up the RV at all, or much of the campground. So yeah, my only thing is that I can't really feel where the buttons are, and it's dark. See, the problem is when you got the handle up, the buttons are here, so I think that could... Now see how much more this... Oh, yeah, there is actually more settings there. I think you have to cycle through it faster than what I've been doing. You got like a soft glow. Look at that. Look at how yellow that's. Then it's dimmer, so you got like the super bright, lights up everything, then off. So there we go. That's the middle light. Then it goes dim, then it goes super wide, little dimmer, and then we have like a yellow light. So you could see the difference in how much light, see, versus like the, see, basically I got the light shining down, so you could see the difference on how much light, concentrated versus so like that. That's your concentrated light in the middle, then it dims down, and then this is the really bright one, the big one. So you can just see how much more light it casts off that way. All right, now we're testing out the rope light. Got it stretched out across the campsite here, across the table. So let's see the different modes here. Look at that, it's like Christmas lights. Whoa. And then you got this one, All right. So there you have it, man. Just pick what color you like, and the nice thing is it's got its own battery, so you don't have to run extension cords or any of that. You got the light that you want. Let's see if we can let's do Christmas lights maybe. Alright, well, I just wanted to check back in. Now they got like really dark, you can see, you can't see anything. Look at how bright this light is. That is, that's quite impressive. That really is. Also, one other cool feature while we're at it, right here, they give you a little handle for you to roll this up. Now, this thing is big, so it's a little hard to hold, but there you have it. So you can just pull these lights out, and then you got the little handle here to, or I guess even too, you just hold it on the table and roll up the lights. That's freaking awesome, man. And then right here too is your USB-C charging cable and your battery bank output. I'll tell you what, it's pretty impressive, man. This is really nice. I'm out here grilling or doing some other stuff. I got a nice bright light to light up everything, or you know, if you're maybe having some people and maybe you're eating late, this thing puts out plenty of light, man. I'm liking it. The nice thing is you don't have to have an extension cord to power it, so don't have to worry about any of that. The only thing I would say is right here, these two power buttons, I can see that you can't have them stay on. That wouldn't make sense, but maybe it would be nice if once it's on they would light up so you could see what you're hitting to change the, and they don't, it's hard to feel them actually. So at night you almost need a light to turn on your light because it's hard to see what's going on here. But other than that, and the weird anomaly here with the solar only ever showing one light, I like it. It's a pretty good unit. I did look it up. It is a 5400 milliamp hour battery. Let me just double check before because it's been a minute since I looked. So yes, 5400 milliamp hour battery in here. So that should give you a several hours of lighting. It's kind of hard for me to test because I'm not really equipped for that. I'll probably fall asleep and miss when it shut off. But yeah, I like this thing. So I'm not really a fan of stringing up lights around my campground. That's my preference, but I know there's a lot of people that do. And if you're one of those, this is too easy. Just go ahead, set this up, string them around, and wind it up when you're done. Let the sun recharge it or plug it in. Like I said, no extension cords, none of that other stuff dragged around that you worry about tripping on. And if you need a light, maybe you need to work on something, or you're just trying to light up your area, or if you're working in the garden, something like that, like my wife likes to do, lots of. So not just for camping. So there'll be a link in the video description where you can pick up this, and also check out my review of the really cool fan and light combination as one. All right, everyone. Hope you found this informative. If you're looking for some good camping lights, here you go. Might want to give this a try. Appreciate you watching. Take care. We'll see you next one.